Oh, he's like, let's go, I'm ready. There he goes. Devastation. Is that your unicorn? Is that your most favorite? You hold it with your little hands? Oh, good. That is your unicorn. Yes. And he was it with all his little heart. Ow, my finger. Give it back. I can get you. Boop.
Is there anyone out there who wants to go fast?
I want to go fast. I miss you, Mama Speed. Ricky Bobby's back.
I'm trying to watch my show. What do you want? You've already had treats. No treat, no. And you've had dinner. You've already had dinner. You've had your steaks. Yes, you did. Don't you tell me you didn't. I know you did. You're very sassy, sir. You're sassy. What do you want? Do you want to go outside, go potty? Do you want kisses? Do you want mommy kiss your nose? Go get a toy from your toy box. We'll play toy. Go get a toy. Go get a toy. You go get a toy. What? Okay, hang on. What do you want? Huh? What do you want? And you just so happen to stop where the treats are. Do you need more treats again? You just burped, and now you're asking for more. Now, can you tell mommy, I love you? That's a good one. There's your jerky. Can you show mommy bow? Can you bow? Can you bow? That's a very... Can you bow? Show mommy bow. Show mommy bow, Blueface. Can you bow? No, that was good enough. He said, I'm too tall and there's not enough room in this little space to bow. And that's my trash cup you knocked over. What are you doing? What are you doing? He is all about it. Would you just look at those Wolfie beans? What are you doing? Good boy. I have babies in my lap. There's a puppy in my powder. Georgie. Who's a pretty baby? Too so pretty. I'm gonna boop your nose. I want you to look at this cute mother.
Yeah, for goodness sake, let me fix it up. Look how stringy and messy it is. What a shame. Such an interesting monster, too. My stars, if an interesting monster can't have an interesting hairdo, then I don't know what things are coming to. In my business, you meet so many interesting people, but the most interesting ones are the monsters. There, you're nice and clean.
What's that?
Look at the stare of the champion against the challenger. Look at the size of the giant. This one is officially underway. Ray and the champion retaliates. Slam! Oh, he almost got it. Oh, get up. There is the Silverdome, Jess. I don't know if he's got enough left in it. I gotta say, I'm making it look easy right now. Look at this. He is the greatest professional athlete in the world today. I don't believe.
Lightning, would you want to go bye-bye get breakfast? Yeah, let's get breakfast. Good boy. Aww.
He just showed up out of nowhere.
He loves breakfast here. The breakfast burritos are for him.
Oh, really?
And he knows it.
Beautiful eyes, too.
Thank you. He is a Wolfdog, so he's actually Gray Wolf, German Shepherd, and Husky. And those breakfast burritos are for him.
Really?
Yes. Do you want to pet him? No, absolutely not. Do you want breakfast burrito? You say, I love you. That's a good one. Here you go, buddy. Someone has been laying on his cot in the snow. Puppy baby, do you like the snow? Like, I'm not even looking at you. I'm looking at the squirrels that are playing in the snow while I sit in my snow bed. I asked him to come in. He wants nothing to do with it. He says he's a busy little snow wolf. What are you doing? You digging a hole in the snow? What's in there? What are you doing? There may be like a treat in there. There's this little unicorn out in the snow. He's the monitor. What you doing, little naughty boy? What are you doing? Are you being adorable? Did you ruin our screen? Oh, puppy man. Why would you do that? Did you do this?
You like a different dog? We have better dogs, dear.
There he is, and he's eating my bra. You're not supposed to be chewing on. What are you doing, you big crazy baby? You stuck? Oh, don't you see? Help me, mama. Help me, mama. Oh my gosh, there's so many little tiny pieces. You just shredded it, didn't you? You're just torturing yourself, buddy. He says I'm tasting the air and eating rose leaves, pretending I'm eating it. Oh my goodness. You messed up mommy's fern. Why would you do that?
But I love dogs more than any. You can hang out with them. I hug him and I put him on the ground, I rub his belly, and he's just so sweet. He's just, my friend calls them love sponges. I'm like, yeah, it's a love sponge. He's a love sponge. He loves everybody, man. He's not like, he doesn't like favor one person over another. He loves everybody.
Your face. Down a full lap, about a mile. Need some new dog friends.
It's whatever makes you happy, sets
Are you kidding me? I love it.
You know, precision. I saw them queuing up at the freaking grade.
My turn. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Why are you the way that you are? Honestly.
Why?
The moment I realized our adopted Staffy probably lived a life of crime before we brought her home.
Oh! What's going on? What's happening? What's happening?
She doesn't know.
Lightning knows what time it is. He knows. This is May's first bark box. Oh, this month. Lightning is already approving it. Back up, big head. Oh, what's this? Oh my goodness, it's Star Wars. Oh no. May, what do you think? Baba biscuits. Got Fruity Booties. Oh, you love balls. So again, these were the treats and the bark box this month. And Lightning loves his toy.